very good day, everyone. Today, in this video, I want to deal with questions in sets. Questions of this type. In a class of 40 students, 25 play rugby, 20 play basketball, and 10 play both rugby and basketball. Represent the information in a diagram. If you check these numbers, you might suspect that there is an error somewhere because these numbers, 25, 20, 10, added together, they give us 55, which outnumbers what we have there. Where is the problem? Is there a mistake somewhere? No, there is no mistake. The Venn diagram, this diagram called the Venn diagram, will assist us to allocate each of the numbers in the appropriate space. So I'm going to create a rectangle which represents my sample space. Sample space refers to the totality of elements under study. So everyone who plays this, everyone in this class will be inside that rectangle. But we also observe that this chain represents those who play both rugby and basketball, which means there is an intersection between rugby and basketball. There are some who play rugby and they also play basketball. So I'm going to draw a circle to represent those that play rugby, and then another circle for those that play basketball. But mindful of the fact that there must be an overlap for those that play both games. So in this case, I'm going to put B for basketball, R for rugby. In this segment here, I'm going to write the number of those that play both, which is 10. So 10 shall come here. 10 play rugby and basketball. Right. So I tick a bullet that has told you. Let me go to the next bullet going up there. This is 20 who play basketball. So this is my basketball set. That one is 20. Everything inside there must be 20, including this 10. Which means here I'm going to write the number of people who play basketball only without rugby. It should be 10. So that 10 plus 10 will give me a total of 20 for basketball. We proceed to the next bullet, which is 25 who play rugby. 25 is the total who play everything that is inside R is included here. But 10 are already there. They are already inside R because they are R. Now for rugby only without basketball, then I'm saying suppose we have 25 minus 10 is 15. So 15 is for those who play rugby only, 10 is for those who play both rugby and basketball, 10 play basketball only. But let's check, our total should be 40. Now, 15 plus 10 plus 10 should be 20 plus that, which is 35. So I have shortened to 5. What that means is, there are 5 learners, students, who don't play either rugby or basketball. They are outside the city somewhere. So I'll write 5 here to represent those that do not take part in any of those sports. So this is the complete Venn diagram. If the question says, what is the number of those who play basketball only, I now have it. Or rugby only, I now have it. Neither rugby nor basketball, I now have it. And this is easy with the diagram called Venn diagram. Now, why did I choose a Venn diagram today on the 4th of April? This diagram was invented by a British mathematician whose name was Jonn Venn. And Jonn Venn died on 4 April 1923. That is 102 years ago. So we commemorate his work on this day, the 4th of April, the day he parted. But we cherish very much what he left behind. Without the Venn diagram, it was very difficult to tackle questions of this nature. John brought this idea in 1880. Before 1880, people had serious problems solving such questions like this. But with the invention of this, life became very easy. So we appreciate what John left behind. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you very much.